Inferring and generalizing in informational text. We are looking at secure skills, all three. You need to be able to paraphrase information in the text to explain the explicit meaning of the text and draw inferences. So paraphrasing, putting it in your own words, explicit meaning exactly what it says, and then drawing inferences is it doesn't tell you everything right on the page. You need to figure it out with your mind. Next, secure skill, using information in the text to draw generalizations. And a generalization is something that is normally true. Not all the time, but normally. And the last one, quote accurately from the text to support explanations, inferences, and generalizations. So if you're going to make a generalization or infer something, you need to be able to find the information in the article that says that. So, layers of the earth. Hold on for one moment. Okay, I just had to have it fit better on the slide. The layers of the earth. The earth is made of many layers. Scientists have been studying the layers of the earth for hundreds of years. There is a solid crust on the outside that we live on. Scientists have been able to study the crust more than any other layer. The thinnest part of the crust are under the ocean. The crust is thinner than any other layer of the earth. The crust is 3 to 25 miles thick. So if I want to paraphrase this in my own words in sentence form, I could say, even though the crust is the thinnest layer, we know the most about it because it's on the outside. And that's where we live, on the outside of the earth. Next, under that solid crust, before you get down to the mantle, is the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is the upper part of the mantle that flows and moves the plates of the earth. The mantle is 1,800 miles thick, making it the thickest layer. The mantle is solid, but because of the high temperatures, there is still slight movement over time. So if I want to skip down to the third secure skill and make a quotation of the text to explain an inference, I could say, according to the article, wonderful transition phrase, the mantle is 1,800 miles thick, which makes this hot layer the thickest. So I am making an inference that it's the thickest by using information that is provided. Finally, in the center of the earth is the core. The core is dense and metallic. The core is split into a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. The outer core is 1,400 miles thick and made of liquid iron and nickel. The inner core is the highest level of pressure. While it is hot enough, the metals are forced to vibrate in place like solids. The inner core is 800 miles thick. So then making a generalization, something that is generally true. Humans will always know the most about the crust because the inner layers are too hot and have too much pressure for easy investigations.